Hello and welcome to Punk Science TV. My name is Dr. Mangia, and this time we're going to be talking about water in space. And in 2011, astronomers found this enormous reservoir of water deep into space. Now, it's equivalent to 140 trillion times the water on all the world's oceans. Absolutely amazing. And it's important to note that it's in the vicinity of a black hole. So, what actually is going on? Um, in recent years, of course, we found that water is all over the solar system, all over the universe. We've even found water on a distant planet. So we used to think that water was rare, but even stars have been found to be shooting water bullets, and we've even found our own star, the sun, actually giving off water into space. And when we had a look deeper into comets, we found that comets aren't just these these snowballs that are just throwing off sheets of water as ice and melting. They're actually giving out water in discrete jets. And probably by now you know that a lot of water has been found on Mars and various moons. So it's very interesting what is actually happening. Why are these massive bodies of water found in space, and why are they being found near black holes? So, if you read my book Punk Science, you'll know that in 2006 I published the idea that the same mechanism in thunderstorms on Earth that produce gamma ray flashes and lightning, which is electrons at almost the speed of light, and the jets there, and also antimatter. So antimatter was confirmed to be coming out of thunderstorms by NASA in around 2010, sorry. And so basically, I propose that the same mechanism that produces thunderstorms on our planet actually is the same mechanism behind black holes all over the universe, except at different levels. So the same mechanism is producing all of these jets of water. Now, in order for that to be true, it meant that black holes themselves have to produce jets of water. And that seemed really preposterous at the time. But basically, I didn't have to wait long before that was indeed confirmed. And now we know that black holes actually spew water vapor. So, what's responsible for all this water, all these jets of water coming all these levels of the universe? Well, it's the black hole principle itself. And with the black hole principle being intermittent, then you will have, in certain bodies, you'll have intermittent jets of water being produced. And it could actually explain why we find this ocean of water deep to the earth itself. And when we look at what's happening, it's very similar to this sort of idea that you have these geysers that have that are produced by volcanoes, and you have these sort of spurts of water that happen on the earth itself. Essentially, what we're looking at all over the universe is the same process, and black holes of different sizes and different circumstances are putting out these jets. So, like, everything is giving off these geysers, and sometimes it's mixed with microwaves, sometimes it's part of volcanoes, sometimes it's just coming out of sunspots and things like that, but you have the same principle all the way down. And that's why this massive reservoir of water was found in deep space. It's actually coming from the black hole itself. So I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Punk Science TV. So if you are on Facebook, please subscribe to these lives, or on YouTube, subscribe as well. If you want to know more about the upcoming movie, go to punksciencemovie.com and sign up for updates. So I hope to see you again soon, and let me know what you think, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye.